morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start with the news that British exports reported a boom in sales for the start of this year as an index tracking non-EU exports reached its second ever highest level. According to a survey by British Chambers of Commerce, manufacturing exports reported a rise of 26% for the start of 2017 compared with 16% growth at the end of 2016. The drive in sales has largely been down to the post-referendum drop in the value of the pound, which despite recent gains against the dollar, sterling still remains around 13% lower than its pre-referendum value. Separate figures showed that export growth in April was at its highest level for 6 years. In other news, shares in Alibaba experienced a shaky day of trading yesterday as full-year results showed mixed performance, and the company also announced a share buyback in the region of £4 billion. The Czech giant produced better than expected revenue figures. However, adjusted earnings came in below estimates at 4.35 yuan, whilst income attributable to shareholders was down by almost 40%. The data produced mixed responses, as in New York, shares dropped at the open, but went on to recover throughout the day, closing just under 1% down. The firm, which has a user base of more than 500 million customers, is looking to expand into new areas including offline retail and cloud computing, with an aggressive investment strategy expected throughout the coming months. 4 car firms are set to be hit with a $553 million lawsuit settlement over the use of potentially defective Takata airbags. Toyota will pay the largest sum of $278.5 million. BMW will fork out $131 million, whilst Mazda and Subaru have agreed to pay $76 million and $68 million respectively. In upcoming data, 11 o'clock CBI industrial trends data for May is released. At 1:30, Canadian Consumer Price Index for April is revealed, and at 3 o'clock EU Consumer Confidence for May is announced. Thank you for listening.